ready to be transported to a special place. A place that makes me feel happy and at peace. A place called Lubuk Sukun. Every day, I feel more and more in love with this place. The cool breeze from the flowing river, which is the source of life for us, always embraces me. And it was here, in Lubuk Sukun, that I discovered the true meaning of friendship. Here, the sun shines brighter, the air is sweeter, and the people are friendlier. Everywhere you look, you'll find laughter, joy, and love. In this village, we don't let our differences divide us. We use them as an opportunity to get to know one another, to learn from each other, to respect each other, and to share with each other.
Putra, mau menjak.
And we stand proud, surrounded by the richness of our cultural heritage and traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation. This is Lubuk Sukun, a village where I call home, a village that always welcomes you with open arms, just like a warm hug from an old friend.